be vague. Yeah, cool. To describe the year that was 2020 is a hard one. Words like challenging, uncertain, unprecedented come to mind. The global situation has left none unaffected, New Zealand included. So even though some familiar faces were missing and the start of the event was greeted with grey skies and rain, the sight of a sea of orange riders rolling into Cambridge was a truly remarkable one. The 5th annual KTM New Zealand Adventure Rally, King Country, was going ahead, and 127 riders and 28 staff were set for 5 days of epic adventure exploring the middle of the North Island. There is no better place to see the spirit of the KTM Adventure community shine through than at a KTM Adventure Rally, and after a year like the one we've had, there was no better time for it.
Welcome to the 5th annual KTM Adventure Rally. Great to be here, eh? Yeah, amazing. Great to see so many of you turning up again. Just awesome that we are able to obviously run this. Huge amount of effort gone into it. Behind the scenes from some of our Aussie friends as well have contributed massively, even though they can't be here.
Yeah, enjoying the first day. Had a great day, right? So far.
Yep, nice to stay here. So it's pretty fun. Kavia and all nearby. Yep.
I feel like there's more to this story. Badly. Yeah, I made a bit of a cock up, but shit happens. Not today.
Go down the middle. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Look, it's like ice skating. It's like ice skating. Yeah, this is the middle I was talking about.
Sliding down the hill on my arse was pretty entertaining, but no, some of the riding through all the dark country that was pretty good, hard and fast. It was good fun, eh?
Day two. Day two, all the breakouts, all the scenery was beautiful. I've never seen so much grass in the King Country, being a farmer. Kevin Archer needs to cut some grass. But yeah, the breakouts on Kevin's were good. That one chilly one that'd been awesome on a dirt bike. Heaps of fun.
A bad day. Yesterday was a better day. Didn't like the rain this morning. Having to wear glasses in the rain ain't much fun, but that's the way it is. Can't change the weather.
Oh, awesome road. Bloody luxury, tail seal all the way to the ski field. We don't have that down south.
Well, end of day 3 here at Ohakune at the Powderhorn Chateau. Turned out to be a beautiful day. Didn't start off so good this morning leaving Taupo. Everyone got a little bit wet. A lot of touring road stuff today, some beautiful gravel roads. We also had a one which was probably a too chilly breakout, which was Fisher's Track, which was just fantastic. It was totally stunning. Those that did it, don't know if anyone didn't, but surely would have enjoyed it. We've had amazing few days so far. We've been through some incredible properties. seen some amazing scenery, done some amazing adventure bike riding. It has truly been just another absolute classic KTM Adventure Rally, and still got a couple of days to go, so cannot wait for it.
Yeah, awesome. Every day's been fantastic. Weather's been pretty bloody good, and yeah, good mix of riding and stuff like that. But yeah, ski field was the highlight of the day.
I had a fairly relaxing day, really. I had a really good run down the side of the Wanganui River. Yeah, a few really fun corners around there.
Another massive day. It wasn't that hard, but geez, everyone tired from riding so far. Another huge thanks to Mark and Dee, particularly Dee, because all I ever saw anyone putting stickers anywhere or working, it was Dee. Mark was sitting on the side of the road usually talking. So Dee, well done. Thank you very much for all the effort today again and putting that all together. Jeff. That's good.
Yeah, flat tires. First time in my life. Next time we run on moves.
Enjoying the day there?
Yes, I am, really. Did all the breakouts. That's why I got a break. Flat tire.
Yep.
For the last 5 days on the 2020 KTM Adventure Rally, I've been very lucky enough to ride this 790R with the WP Explore Pro suspension, and I sort of felt right from the start that it felt different, and it was really well controlled and that kind of thing, but it really came into its own on the last day riding where we did. Sean Clark put on the most incredible day for us all through the forests around Tokoroa, and the riding through there was just amazing, quite challenging in many respects, a lot of sort of chilly kind of riding on the breakouts. And it just gives me so much confidence. The suspension just absorbs. It seems like it's always ready. It's like it's reading the road in front of you, and it just gives you so much confidence to ride the bike. Yes, it's a lot of money, but if you're going to do a lot of riding like we did today, a lot of adventure riding, a lot of off-road, a lot of sort of cross sort of riding types on off-road and on road, that kind of stuff, it is a fantastic investment, no doubt about it. It made me a better rider today, no doubt. It made me a safer rider, and I think it gave me the opportunity to have a lot more fun than maybe what I would have. So blown away by it. Didn't probably expect it to deliver as the performance and make me feel as good on the bike as what it did, but by the end of it, I'm just completely blown away by how good that setup is on that bike. So yep, can't speak highly of it enough. And as I said, if you can afford it, it's a great investment.
Fantastic, awesome views, yeah, can't beat it.